Hey guys, welcome back to my Infinite Painter tutorial. Today, we'll draw this beautiful nature illustration. First, draw a blue circle in the middle of a white canvas and fill it. Create a layer and draw the sun on it. Enable the alpha lock and add some texture on it using this brush. Create a layer, draw a cloud on it. Use the selection tool to adjust it. Create multiple clip layers for the blue background layer and draw some mountains on it with different colors. Enable the alpha lock and add some texture on all the mountain layers. Add some shade on them too. Select the cloud layer and duplicate it multiple times. Then, merge all the duplicate layers to the cloud layer. Add some texture to the cloud layer. Select all the mountain layers and adjust them. Then, merge them all. Create a clip layer on top of it, and draw a lake. Create multiple clip layers and draw some hills on it using different colors. Enable the alpha lock and add highlight and shade on them using the same texture brush. Create one more hill layer. merge all the hill layers together with the lake layer. Create a clip layer between the mountain and hill layer and draw some trees on it. Create one more layer for the leaves. As you can see, we want it on top of the cloud, so drag this layer on the top. Now, erase the extra parts. The best solution will be to convert sun and the cloud layer into clip layer and drag them below. Create more clip layer for more trees. Don't worry, I'll fix this soon. Create one more tree layer. Just drag the sun and cloud layer on top of the blue background layer and change theme to clip layers. Now, continue with your tree. Enable the alpha lock and add some highlights on both tree layers. Create a layer on top of it and change it to multiply, then draw some random lines on the trees. Don't worry, I will change it to multiply later. Now, merge all the tree and hill layers together. Create a layer on the top and draw some more leaves on it. Add some details on it. Enable the alpha lock and add highlights. Use the selection tool to select it and duplicate this layer, then adjust it. Unclip the original one. Select the clip layer below it and draw some plants, fill it, and add some details. Enable the alpha lock and add highlights. Disable the alpha lock and draw some more plants. This is a custom-made brush. I'll add the link on the description, try it out. Add some grass using different colors. Add some flowers. Merge all the clip layers. And use this default brush to erase the edges of the blue background layer. By mistake I've erased the clip layer. I'll suggest you to erase the blue background layer, it'll look much better. Select all the layers and resize it. Select the top layer and add more plants. Create a layer and draw more bushes. Create a new layer and draw one more plant like this. Add some details on it. Enable the alpha lock and add highlights. Merge both layers. Create one more layer and draw a rock on it. Use 3 different shades of brown for it. Enable the alpha lock and add highlights and shades. Select the rock and adjust its position. Create one more layer below this layer and draw one more rock using same steps. Merge both rock layers and bush layer. Add some more grasses on this layer. Draw a leaf and duplicate it multiple times in different places. Merge all the normal layers together. Create a new layer at the bottom for the background. Create one more clip layer and draw some birds on it. That's it, it's done. Thanks for watching. If it helped, then like the video and subscribe for more videos like this.